How to leave Spotify Family Plan. To get started, first of all, open up Safari on your phone. You can use any other browser that you like. Then, go to open.spotify.com on your browser. Once you're here on this page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Here, tap on View Account. After that, scroll down and go to the subscription section. Now tap on Manage Members. On this page, you can manage your family plan. You can update your home address, invite or remove members, and control access to explicit music. Then, scroll down to the Plan Members section. You can see all the members and their accounts here. Now tap on Your Account. On this page, you can remove your access to this page and invite someone else to it by tapping on Invite under the Invite Someone Else section. Following these steps, you can easily leave Spotify Family Plan.